Beautiful. Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here from Bricks and Clicks along with Chris Clay, and we're having an absolutely beautiful day today. And next toy pallet on the shipment, custom return, mixed condition. We'll see what we get on this. Feeling pretty good so far. Some really nice stuff. We haven't had a bad one yet, where we lost money on, which is nice. Which is nice. Check out some of the videos because we had a really nice pallet that had a $400 Lego Harry Potter set on it. That was brand new. It ended up.
One pallet that was like $1,500.
$1,500 on one pallet. So I mean, some really nice shipments. He's talking to you.
I know.
Get me the hell out of here.
Get me off of this pallet.
So we'll see what we have on this. So make sure, guys, to subscribe and share us. That button is free in the corner, costs nothing. One click, that's all we ask. One click. So, we got a new monster truck series, which is pretty sweet. Engine revs, just damaged packaging. That is it.
Nice.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's all sealed inside. I'm just guesstimating. I would guess probably $60 at least, maybe more. Bigfoot. So we'll find out once we do research. Look at the hell the tape did to it. This is why we cut the tape.
Oh. Way to go.
Way to go, Ricky.
I know. Is this your first day working on a freaking pallet? What are you
This
doing?
is ridiculous.
Who hired this guy?
Look at this. Boom. All right.
Now you see why we always complain about tape.
Now, yeah, that's the freaking loot.
$100 reindeer.
Shebang. So we looked to ship this to Amazon in the box to ship it because it exceeds the dimensions to ship to Amazon. It was $266 to ship that to Amazon because the box exceeded the dimensions. So obviously they're not that worth that much. So we are palletizing them and shipping an entire pallet of them. We got a brand new Nerf gun, brain saw. I don't know how much these are worth, probably $30.
Yeah.
$35 or whatnot. So we'll be able to send that right to Amazon. That is brand new.
Ooh, Paw Patrol tower.
Those are always good money. You get a new one.
That is original tape on it. And original tape on that side too, just package wear. You can probably send this one, just take a photo of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very nice.
Minnie Mouse. Looks like it is used. So we'll see if it's still worth money. Yeah, I think we have some listed. So we'll find out.
So what were you telling me before we started videoing?
I think these are like $200.
Damn.
I know, I'm intrigued by this. So it's a Step 2 Thomas roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me just check this out. Thomas up and down Step 2.
Probably cutting the original tape.
Probably. So $149.99 for this.
Still not 200, but it's still good money.
Still good money on it. We could probably sell it locally, you know, for $80 just to move it real fast. We'll double check, make sure everything's there, and we'll move it locally instead of shipping it out. Your favorite gun?
Infinite. This one's open too.
There it is. Look at all these Nerf guns. You're not gonna know what to do with them.
I know. I'm gonna have a busy week when we do that.
If there is a zombie apocalypse and Nerf guns become a
Bargaining chip.
To barter with, then we are in business.
This is busted open.
It's a lot of Nerf guns. So even if you load ball them, $20 a piece, you still got $100 in Nerf guns, but we know they're worth more than that.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
Another L.O.L set. These have been arriving just with a little bit of damage to them, but still new inside. So we've still been selling them for $100 a piece. They've been ending up to turn out well. They did slow down a little bit this week.
Yeah.
And then the doghouse was picked up. Don't slow down, doghouse picked up. Kid Kraft, this is the manor house.
This is a broken theater.
No.
Popcorn thing's still working though.
Oh, that's cool. Maybe the girls I could just piece it together for them.
Or maybe find the accessories and see if we can sell the accessories.
Not be able to sell the accessories. I'd rather
That doesn't go with it.
make money. Maybe.
So we'll have to set this aside and go through it.
Ooh. Yeah, those are expensive too.
Yeah.
There's another L.O.L house. Just some damage on the corner here. Otherwise, they are new inside. And that's what a lot of the boxes look like.
Yeah, it's
Just a little bit of damage.
Such a big box, and there's only 2 small boxes in there, really.
Honestly, I don't even think they could have cut this box down by a third.
Right. And you already talked about this.
Yeah, manor house. I think what did we sell these for? Like 2 something?
Yeah, I think like 49.
So these are good money. It looks like original tape along the edges, just some box wear on it. And when we ship it, we just black wrap it anyways with pallet wrap, and it makes it that much easier. You can't see what's on it, and it helps keep it sealed.
Very nice.
Oh, here's the box of the rest of that thing.
So the accessories might be in
The
there.
accessories are right here.
Very nice.
So the funny thing with these accessories, the accessories usually sell for about half of what this would go for. So if this is 150 bucks, we might be able to take all the accessories out, lot them, do 70 bucks, and that's gonna save you, this would probably run you 50, 60 bucks to ship it, so you're gonna save yourself a lot of money. You could even add some chairs maybe. Someone might buy them chairs.
Right. Yeah, we'll have to go through it.
Yeah. I took your eyeball out.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty nice. And topping it off, this side's brand new. That side looks brand new too.
Is it a John Deere?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
that's pretty nice. I bet you it's at least 100 bucks, probably more. So, pretty nice piece here. All in all, not a bad pallet considering. We'll make money on it.
Yeah.
It's not the home run pallet, but 200 bucks in the L.O.L dollhouse. If we can send the Paw Patrol, you're probably looking at another 60, 70, 50 in the Bigfoot thing we showed you guys.
100 bucks.
At least 100, $200 in the manor house,
And $100 for the LOL.
$100 for L.O.L, $100 in Nerf at least.
80 bucks for the Thomas.
Oh yeah, 80 bucks in the Thomas. So it's a pretty good pallet. Definitely not a home run one, but for what we paid for it, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. So make sure to get out there, buy some merchandise. A lot of money out there waiting for you guys. And then be sure to hit that subscribe button over in that corner, and then we'll get to the next toy pallet. They just keep coming, and we already got another semi coming next week, so we got to get on top of it. Yeah, no doubt. So we'll be back. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Have a great day.